everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. It is the end of the month, which means it is time for another favorites video, and this is just going to be my March 2020 favorites. As always, I will have all the products mentioned in this video listed down below for you guys in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. And without further ado, let's get started. Starting off, I have two office-y favorites. The first is this set of gel pens. These are the Pen & Gear gel pens, and I got this at Walmart because recently I've been into using coloring books to de-stress and stuff like that, and I would rather use gel pens than colored pencils or markers. It's just a personal preference, and so I saw this and it was literally like $10, and there are 36 gel pens in here. Obviously, as you guys can see, they come in this sort of like capsule, and on the top right here there is this little metal handle so that you can carry them around if you wanted to. And when you undo it, you can literally put the other container inside of the lid, and it creates sort of like a tower so you can easily access each of the colors, and it also spins. The bottom also has little rubber thingies so that if you put it on a surface, it won't slide around or anything when you put the rest of the container in the lid. And second is a planner. This is a planner I just got at Walmart. This is just what it looks like. It is the Simplified Planner. I absolutely love it because, like the name suggests, it is a simplified planner. So basically you get a monthly layout and then a weekly layout. This is just what the weekly spread looks like. I really like it because you have a good chunk of space to write your day-to-day stuff, and there are actually two columns. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but right here it just says my day, and then over here is a to-do list with little bubbles so you can check things off. And obviously, as you guys can see, my cover is just striped. It actually comes with like two covers. This is the actual cover, but then it also comes with one of those clear sleeve covers, and this part actually comes out so you could put like pictures or design your own cover. I have not gotten around to doing that yet, so I've just kept it in. Moving on to beauty related favorites, I have 4 of them this month. The first are these makeup wipes. Now, typically I don't use makeup wipes because they irritate my skin if I overuse them, and also whenever I buy a pack of makeup wipes, they always dry up. So when I saw these, I decided to try them. These are the new Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelette singles. So basically each makeup wipe is packaged in its own little single container, so you don't have any issues with them drying out. Also, I just think they're super cute and convenient. You can literally bring them with you anywhere you need to. They are a little pricey. I think this bag is like $6 or $7, and it only comes with 20 wipes. If you need like a mini pack of wipes or anything like that, I highly recommend checking these out, or if you have issues with them drying up. They are literally smaller than a pack of gum, so you can literally bring them everywhere you go. I also have a lip favorite, and they are the Fresh Sugar Hydrating Lip Balms. I've mentioned these here on my channel before. I actually have 6 of them. I have the one in lemon, peach, the mini one in caramel, the one in blood orange, the one in lime mint, and I also have the one in watermelon. Like the name suggests, they are hydrating lip balms. Other than the usual Nivea ones I use, which I included in my last month's favorites, these are my second go-to because with these, the product isn't all chunky when you put it on your lips, and they are so hydrating, and you can literally go and drink something and it won't come off at all. I also have an eyeshadow palette that is a favorite for this month. Now, I've been really wanting one of the Naked Basics palettes. However, they are really expensive, and so I was at Sephora and I was asking the girl what she recommended for an eyeshadow palette that is compact, that you can take with you, and that is similar to the Naked Basics palettes. And she suggested this. This is by Sephora. It is the Sephora brand I Love palette, and this one is in the medium cool shades. They have a bunch of different ones of these, and I picked out this one because she said it was the most similar to the Naked Basics palettes, and I believe it was only like $15, which is really affordable. This is just what it looks like when you open it. You get 7 eyeshadows. You get this one, which is a really good brow bone highlight or inner corner highlight. It is just a really light peachy tan color. And then you get 3 shimmers and 3 mattes. And lastly, for beauty related favorites for this month, it is a body spray. This is the Pink Fresh and Clean Body Mist. I absolutely love this. It smells so good. I also have the lotion for it, and I got this for Christmas from one of my really good friends. I suck at describing scents, so I'm just gonna read the back. It just says, "Feels so clean in fresh apple and lily." I also have 2 clothing favorites for the month. The first one is just this sweater. It is just an oatmeal colored knit thin sweater, but what's really cool is that the back is super open, and this goes down to a little past the middle of your spine. And I got this from TJ Maxx, and this looks super cute with a cute lacy bralette under it. Second is a pair of shoes. These are a pair of Toms. I absolutely love Toms. If you've been on my channel, you guys know that my aunt actually gets me a new pair of Toms every year for Christmas, and they're usually the ones that are fuzzy on the inside so that I can wear them year round and my feet won't get cold or anything. And one day when I was out shopping, I was at a like discount store that we have here, and I found a pair of Toms that are adorable. I found them in the kids section. They are a size 5.5, and let me tell you, they fit perfectly. I always check the kids section because half the time they throw like the adult size 6 ones in there and stuff like that. And I saw these and I tried them on and they fit perfectly. They're like a light powder blue booty, and the print on them is like a cheetah print. And the best part is I got them for $20.70. And then my last two favorites for the month are both pretty random. The first one is this ceramic container. It's a floral ceramic container, and then it just has this wooden lid. And I can't remember for the life of me where this came from. I want to say it came from either TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Marshalls, or Target. And this is what I store my most worn jewelry in, and it just sits right on top of my Alex 9 set. And I love that it has a cover so you don't lose anything. And my last favorite for the month of March is possibly one of the most random favorites ever, and it is this whale. This is from a company called Globe Electric. I'm sure you guys have seen these. They are very popular amongst kids. However, I saw it and I had to have it because he's adorable. His name is Gus, and obviously he's a whale, but he's not just any whale because he's actually a light. And let me tell you, he emits a ton of light. He also changes color when you tap on him. They also have a unicorn and a dinosaur one. If you guys are on TikTok and everything like that, you've definitely seen these. And one of my best friend's daughters is obsessed with unicorns, so I decided to get her one for her birthday. And when we went to the store and I saw the whale, I just had to have him. So I walked out of the store with 2 of them. And in case you guys are wondering, you can find these at Home Depot. And I don't care if I'm 25. I'm gonna let my inner 5-year-old out and have one of these. So those are just my favorites for the month of March. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what your favorites were for the month of March. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new content regularly and would love it if you'd become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!